of Junk Car Buyer Academy. This is Coach Danny. I'm one of the coaches here. So a little bit about myself real quick before I tap in what I'm going to talk about. I've been buying junk cars for about 3 years now, 3 or 4 years, and it's changed my life tremendously. I was working, of course, like a 9 to 5 every day. Didn't have my own schedule, didn't have my own control over my finances, but now I do. Been buying junk cars. It's actually treating me pretty good. It's pretty quick to learn. All you need is, of course, a truck, pickup trailer. You got to get you a winch. Got to set you up. You want to set you up a Google account. I'm sure we'll talk about more with that during the courses. But I'll be one of the coaches. So if you guys have any questions or need any type of assistance, I'll be one of the people that you reach out to, or it'll be another coach, But this is a great company to get into. You can have your own schedule. The money is a blessing, just depending on how you set it up. But here at Junk Car Buyer Academy, we teach you how to do all the steps to, be successful in this business. But yeah, if you guys need any more help, just, click these links, where we got it set up. We got everything set up for you. But it's actually pretty cool. I'll show you guys what I'm doing. So I got a Dodge Ram 1500. You want something maybe like 1500, 2500, or really anything, actually, as long as it can pull a trailer and pull a car on top of the trailer for sure. Got your winch right here. Got your hook. Just put your battery right in there. Tie that bad boy down. Lift that up. This is your knob to make it loose if you want to loosen the wires. But everything is pretty much self-explanatory, but you want to get you a nice 16-foot trailer. I had one that came with the ramps already attached to it, which is very useful, so you don't have to keep taking them off and loading them up. But yeah, that's pretty much it, man. We got more videos to be able to show you how to load. You'll be able to see that soon. Once again, this is Danny with Junk Car Buyer Academy, one of the coaches. We look forward to you guys joining the team. You can learn so much here. We teach you everything you need to know. It's very, very, it's a very good business to get into. If you want to be your own boss, you want to be able to make a nice amount of money, be able to take care of your family and stuff like that. And if you just like to be on your own time and run a business. So we teach you how to do all of that. I'm one of the coaches, signing out now.